Welcome to Sky and Sea Reviews, your trusted source for cutting-edge aviation insights. Today, we're exploring China's latest breakthrough in aerial dominance, the 2026 Chinese fighter aircraft, a machine built not just to impress, but to challenge the very standards of modern air combat. Let's begin with performance. This next-generation fighter is powered by twin afterburning turbofan engines, each delivering over 35,000 pounds of thrust. Capable of exceeding Mach 2.2, it offers blistering speed combined with high-altitude agility. Integrated AI flight systems and cutting-edge radar-absorbing materials enhance maneuverability and stealth, making it a nightmare for enemy radar systems. With a combat radius beyond 1,800 kilometers, it's engineered for deep strike missions and long-range superiority. Moving to exterior design, the aircraft is a visual testament to stealth engineering. It features razor-sharp lines, a low observable canopy, and composite materials that bend radar waves. The serrated edges and smoothed-over surfaces reduce its radar cross-section dramatically. Its overall form is both aggressive and tactical. It's built to disappear from sight while staying deadly in the skies. When it comes to fuel efficiency, China's 2026 fighter introduces meaningful innovation. It boasts a re-engineered thrust vectoring system and lighter composite airframe, improving fuel consumption by nearly 15% over its predecessor. With in-flight refueling capabilities and smarter fuel management, it extends operational range without compromising stealth. In conclusion, the 2026 Chinese fighter aircraft represents a bold stride in China's aviation ambitions. With high-end performance, stealth-focused design, and improved fuel economy, it's a strong signal that the future of air combat is becoming more competitive than ever. Thanks for tuning in to Sky and Sea Reviews. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies.